Good day, beautiful people. I am Justina and welcome back to my channel, DIY Natural Skincare. So today I want to share one of my favorite lip balm recipes. All my friends, they do know that I have a very special relationship with my lip balms. I keep carrying them around 24/7. I keep constantly put them on my lips. And I've been making my own lip balm for almost a year now. I've been experimenting with a lot of different butters and carrier oils and essential oils. So I would like to share this recipe with you. So for this recipe, you're gonna need a beeswax. Beeswax helps to retain the moisture on the lips and it's very good for dry and chapped lips. Then I will use a shea butter. Shea butter makes lips soft and smooth. Then I'm gonna use a sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil, it's very good for chapped lips. It's full of vitamins. Then I have vitamin E. Vitamin E helps to protect lips from the sun, and again, it's very good for dry and chapped lips. And then I have my essential oils. Essential oils, so lavender essential oil. It treats the peeling and cracking of the lips, and I love the smell of the lavender essential oil. Then I have sweet orange essential oil, which is as well, it's a good moisturizer and it's a good for chapped lips. And when you mix sweet orange essential oil and lavender essential oil, I just literally love it, the smell. That's why I chose them. And I'm gonna put them today in these tiny, shiny, very colorful boxes. They call Sindor Dani, I believe. And I got them from India when I was there a year ago. And they're very cute. The local ladies use them. They put in the red dye here, and they putting this dye on the top of the forehead here beside the hairline, and that indicates that they are married. So, and I'm using this for my own lip balm. Okay guys, so excited, let's go and make it now. So guys, what we're gonna need a glass breaker where I'm gonna put my beeswax first, and to let it melt it in my double boiler here. As always, it's gonna take about 2 minutes to melt it. So when the beeswax is almost melted, I will add the shea butter to melt now. Another minute or two. Shea butter is melted now. I will add my sweet almond oil. Yes, sweet almond oil is here. And that's it. Everything is melted, the wax, the shea butter, sweet almond oil. I will add, for 70 grams, I will add about 5 drops of the vitamin E oil. Yep. I will mix it around. Okay, it's still hard for me to add essential oils, so I'm just gonna add to let it cool off a bit. So I'm gonna add 10 drops of the sweet orange oil. And 10 drops of lavender essential oil. We'll put in my my little containers here. Perfect. And I'm gonna let it be like this for about a half hour or 1 hour till it's gonna get the solid consistency. So guys, we have the final product here. It's nice yellow color. I like the smell. I like how it feels on my lips. I've been trying this already. I can really feel the oiliness and moisture. So for this recipe, I use about 24% of the beeswax, 35% of the shea butter, and 40% of the sweet almond oil, and 1 or 2% was between vitamin E and essential oils. The full recipe you can find in a description box below. And yeah, let me know how you did in the comment section. And yes, I will keep this for myself and I will share these with my friends. And yeah, see you next time. Thank you. Bye.